What's up, guys? I am back with a quick unboxing of this. It's gonna be, you know what it is when you see this. So let's just get this open. Something I wanted for a while, just to do this video, and these you can't even find them anymore. So let's just cut that. That's my daughter in the background. So just bear with her. So in here we have a box, and this looks interesting. And let's just get right in here. And this came locally. It came from a store in New York. So I'll show you guys what it is. It is a Seiko. And this box actually looks really old. This box, it looks really old. And I got the model numbers there. SSB011. And this packaging looks really old, but wow, it actually looks much better in person. So I got the infamous Meca-Quartz and the Seiko Meca-Quartz. I'm going to do a quick video review on this. I'm going to wear this for about a while and see how it feels. And I just wanted to simply got this for the Meca-Quartz function, which has the sweep-in second hand. And I want to compare this to my Omega Speedy, because the watches are very similar in design, but very different in what's inside the case. And I think this has the flip back chronograph, which is kind of cool. That's not a flyback chronograph. I actually ordered a flyback chronograph watch just to do a video comparison to that. So let's just do a quick measurement, because I know there's some controversy on the diameter of this. So I am getting 40, exactly 40. So it's 40 in diameter, and these Meca-Quartz watches, they tend to be very thick. So I'm getting about 11.5 in thickness. And I think the lug width on these guys are about 20. It's 20. I'm not going to measure that, but overall the quality of the watch, it feels all right. It's I didn't pay too much for this, but these are becoming very, very rare and hard to find. And I actually bought the last one from the store of the online store the guy was selling this. So it's a very rare watch and very coveted, because the Meca-Quartz is making a revolution with all the micro brands, and the startup watch companies are putting out these Meca-Quartz. And basically all the Meca-Quartz watch with the chronograph, they basically use the Seiko VK63, some variation of the VK63A. You could Google that. I'm going to put the link down below of that Meca-Quartz. And the module, the VK modules are about, if you buy them in bulk, they're about $19. And if you, I guess you're just buying one or two pieces, it's going to be about $30 or so. So it's relatively very, very cheap movement to buy and insert into a watch. So just bear that in mind when I do my Meca-Quartz review on this watch. And I'm going to sort of compare that price to what the micro brands are charging for their watches. So that's it, guys. So let's see what's on the tag here. Finish up my unboxing real quick. And the tag says what it is, Seiko men's. And it's a retail on this of $250. I'm assuming that's US dollars, because I did buy it from American. I bought it in America from an American, a US based retailer. So the box is just some mild stuffing in there, and looks to be a booklet, 2 booklets. So you have the warranty instructions, and there it is, the caliber CT63, which is the same as the VK63A chronograph, and it's the 1/5 chronograph. So that means it sort of sweeps. It has a sweep-in, a visual sweep of the chronograph. So that's it. So you have a nice manual book there and the warranty. And that's it, guys. And look out for the video review coming up shortly. Bye.